Hey guys, welcome back to Chemchris TV. Good to have you back. So let's evaluate some indices problem when it comes to what JAMB mathematics. So if you're writing mathematics in the upcoming JAMB, then indices is one of the topics you must pay close attention to because it's among what JAMB syllabus. You understand? So I've done the first video on the introductory aspect of what indices. So if you have not watched that video, I will encourage you go and check out that video because in that first video here I explained the 7 or 8 laws of indices. Then I solved some uh, few problems on indices. But in this video, we want to dive down into some complex problem like the one displayed on the board. Do you understand? So make sure you stick to the end of this video. If you're already familiar with indices before, or if you have watched after this video, good for you. You can just follow this video here. If there's any point you know that you want to solve, if you want to solve any problem, you can pause the video. Then you can solve the problem there. After solving, you can check if your answer is correct. That's how to what to learn. So let's get into it. So now let's evaluate the first one here. Now the first one here is what 8 raised power 1 about 3 times 5 2 over 3 over 10 raised power 2 over 3. So how do we evaluate this here? So how do we evaluate this? Now if you check very well, I can break this one down. I can break this one down if you check very well. So this is also the same thing. If you check 10 is equal to 5 times 2, right? So let me break this down. So if I should break this down, yeah, I'm going to have what 8 raised by 1 over what 3 times 5 2 over what 3 over 5 times 2 raised by 2 over 3. Can you see that? So this one also the same thing as, remember, I can also write down as what 5 raised by 2 over 3 times 2 raised by 2 over 3. So it will be 8 1 over 3 times 5 raised by 2 over 3 over I have 5 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Right? If you check me very well, you can see that this will cancel out this one here. Do you understand? So we are out now going to have 8 raised by 1 over 3 over 2 raised by 2 over 3. But understand that I can break 8 down, right? So 8 is also the same as 2 times 2 times 2, right? We also the same as 2 raised by 3. Do you understand? So if you check very well, it's going to be 2 raised by 3 1 over 3. This is that over 2 raised by 3, right? So this and this will go out. So what I'm left is what 2 over 2 raised by 2 over 3. Can you see that? Now these are the final answer here. The final answer, remember this one is division, so it will be 2 divided by 2 raised by 2 over 3. Do you see that? Now, what are you going to do here? Remember, here is 1, right? So you take what the common base, which is 2. Now remember, the power you're going to subtract them. So it will be 1 about 2 about 3, right? So if we should evaluate this one here, 1 over 2 over 3, if you should evaluate it, right? Should evaluate it here. So you have 1 going to 3 is what 3, right? 3 times 1 is what 3. 3 going to 3 1. 1 times 2 is what 1 times 2. 1 times 2. Okay. So if you should evaluate this one, right? Evaluation here. So it's going to be 1 over 1 minus 2 over 3. What is the extent is 3, right? 1 going to 3 is what 3. 3 times 1 is what is 3 here. Minus 2 going to 3, 1 times 2, 2. So it's going to be 3 over what? 3 over 1 over what 3, right? So here it's going to be that 2 raised by what 1 over what 3. This is the what answer. So the first answer, right? The first one, this is the what answer. You understand? So when you're solving this problem, you have to what know the rules and like know how to what apply the rules in what solve the problem. Now the thing here is that when you keep on solving questions, keep on practicing it will be used to you. Now let's evaluate the second one. Now the first one to do here is to what solve the one inside the bracket. Do you get that? So let's put this thing off. So let's say 64 r minus 6. So let's evaluate this one here. Remember, here we also have 1 over 3, right? Do you understand? So let's concentrate on this other one here. Now, whenever you have something like this, check if you can break so they have 2 power. Do you understand? So you have 1 over 2. Now remember, if I want to break this one down, I will always consider this power here to see if I can have something that is raised by 2. So that is the trick here. Let's say it's 2. Which 2 number can I multiply twice to give me this? Now you're going to be what? 8 times 8, right? 8 times 8 is 64, right? So that's what I'm going to make use of. That's what I want to make use of. So it's going to be 8 raised by 2, right? Raised by minus 6, right? 1 over 2, 1 over 3. Can you see that? So this one here, I'm looking at this one down here like this. Now you can start. This power will multiply everything here, the power law, right? So if you will divide this. So you have now 2 going to 2 because 2 times 1 over 2, 2 cancels out 2, right? So we're going to be what? 8. Can you see that? Then, yeah, minus 6 times 1 over 2, yeah, about 3. We're going to be what? 3. So we're going to be r minus what? 3. Can you see that? 1 over 3. So you have to take it step by step. Take it step by step. Now what are you going to do again? Now remember, this 8, because of this power here, because of this one here. Now, what can I multiply 3 times to give me 8? It's going to be 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 is what is 8. So yeah, I'm not saying 2 raised by what? 2 raised by 3, r raised by minus 3. I'll just do it like this. I'll do it like this. 2 raised by 3, then r raised by minus what? 3. Can you see that? Before this will cancel this and also this here. So here I have 2 raised by minus 1. It's also saying that 2 raised by 2 over what? R. So the answer to this other one is 2 over what? R. That is what the answer here. So that is what for the B, right? So let's look at what the C part. But we have what this big square roots, right? Then before you have the second one, before you have the third one. So now let's start from this point here. So let's evaluate some first. So if you evaluate some first, here we have square root of 100 raised by what? 8, right? Now if you check very well, just now when I have square root, it's the same as what? 100 r raised by 8 raised by 1 over 2. Do you understand? So this guy, if you pick this guy and evaluate it separately, do you understand? So what you have here is this, because the square root here also is that 1 over 2, right? Now let's break this 100 down. This 100 also is as 10 raised by 2, r raised by 8, right? So this will go into this will go into this, right? So then this is going to be what? 10 raised by 10 r raised by what? 4, because 2 going to 2 is 1. Then 2 going to 8 is what? Is 4, right? So this guy is this one here. So I will write this stuff here. That is, I'm saying that you have 10 raised by 10 r raised by 4, right? Now I will write this stuff again. I will write this stuff again. So I want to take like this. 160 r2, right? Plus then the square root. Here we have 71 r4 plus. Now remember, I've evaluated all of this to be what? 10 r raised by 4, right? Now I'm going to pick this one here and evaluate it separately. So I'm going to have 71 r4 plus 10 r4 here, right? Now when I sum them together, this plus this, right? So just like here, we have 10x plus 2x. What is the answer? 10x plus 2x is what? Is 12x. Can you see that? So 71 r raised by 4 plus 10 r raised by 4 is going to be square root of 81 I raised to 4, right? Now what are you going to do here? Now this is also the same thing as what? 81 I raised to 4 raised to 1 over what? 2, right? So now let's break 81 down. What can you multiply twice to give you 81? So it's going to be 9. 9 times 9 is what is 81. Do you understand? So now the main reason why we for 2, because here you have 2 here. So here I'm going to have 9 raised by 2 arrow raised by 4. Do you see that? So if we add this, we cancel out this here. So to have what? 9, right? This going to this here. Here we have what? Arrow raised by what? 2. Right? So that is the whole of this one here. The whole of what? The whole of this is that this here. Right? So that's how you have to take it. So yeah, that is the whole of this one you're seeing here is what? Is 9 I raised by what? 2. Right? So why space add and say what? 9 I raised by what? 2. The next thing I want to do now is that let's bring this one here. Here we have 160 I raised by 2. Now plus the whole of this one here now what? Plus 9 raised by 2, right? So now let's add them together. 160 arrow square plus 9 arrow square. So what are you going to get? Square root of what? 169 arrow square, right? Do you understand? So what are you going to do here? Remember this 169 as what? 169 arrow square over 2. Now what can I multiply twice to give me 196? Okay, so here we have 196 is what? Is going to give you 13 because 13 times 13, right? Is what? 196. So what are you going to do here? So it's going to be 13 raised by 2 arrow raised by 2. Can you see that? So because that one cancel out for here, so you have 13 arrow. So the answer to this other one here, now the answer when your evaluation is what? 13 watts, and that is what is the answer. So now, like what they say, practice. Once you keep on practicing, now it will get used to you. Do you understand? So it's step by step. That is why you need to what? Solve a problem. Enough for you to what? To master how to solve this problem with speed, what, and accuracy. So we're going to look at what the last one did. So what I'm going to do here. Let's start with this one here. 3, 4, 3, 1 out 3 times. Now, if you should brace on whenever you have 0.14. Now, let's remove what the 0 here. Going to be what 100, right? So it will be 14. Just as 14 over what 100, right? So if you remove the 0 in decimal here, like if you remove 0 here, so do what I want to get. So here I want to have 14 over 100 minus 1, right? So that's a times. Now 25. Now let's remove this minus here, right? So it will be 1 over 25 raised by 1 over 2, right? So what are we going to multiply 3 times to bring 343? That's the cube root of 343. So let's look at what cube root of 343. 7. So if you should multiply 7 3 times, 7 times 7 times 7, you're going to be what? 343. So do you understand? So you're going to be 7 raised by 3, 1 by what? 3. Can you see that? Times. Now, if I want to remove this minus sign here, so this is going to come down, right? So it's going to be 100 over what? 14. Here we have what 1. So they're not going to put it in 1 here, so let's ignore it. Times 1. Now, what I multiply twice to give 25. So 5 times 5 is what 25, right? So it will be 5 raised to 2 go out, right? So this we cancel out this here we have 7 times here we have 100 over what 14 times 1 over what. We cancel out this here we have what 5, right? So here you have say over what 1. 14 going to 7 going to 14 is what here we have 2. 2 going to 100, you have what 50, right? 5 going to 50, here we have what 10. So the answer is what 10. So when you evaluate, the answer is what is 10. Do you understand? So this is how to work solve indices for problem, but you are still going to do more challenging problem. The one that involve what algebraic method, algebraic equation, and the rest, and the